Hello, Slingers! Today we've got an instructional video designed to help you with your 19 Crimes mugshot photo label demos. We'll cover the setup of your selling space, getting the camera ready, and finally, printing the labels. The idea of this campaign is to create personalized photo labels for 19 Crimes products that your customers can apply to their bottles once they have purchased them. First, let's take a look at the items that you will be getting to conduct your demo. You will get a roll-up mugshot background, a Polaroid Snap-Touch camera, an Insignia external USB power bank, extra Polaroid paper, and 6 crime mugshot placards. When you first receive your kit, make sure you have everything listed above or contact your regional lead if something is missing, and we'll try and get the items you need to you. Once you have arrived at the store, set up your table and begin to lay out the necessary items for the campaign. You'll need to assemble the mugshot background by your table first. Take it out of its carrying case and rotate the legs of the screen so they are perpendicular to the screen. Then, place the screen on a hard, flat surface. Next, put the suspension pole sections together and place the round end into the base of the screen. You will notice a plastic flange at the top of the pole. Grab the top of the roll-up screen and raise it up to the plastic flange and fit it into place. If you are the first person to remove the camera from its package, there may be a small paper sheet coming out of the camera and a plastic covering on the rear screen. Remove both of these. Open the latch just to the left of the screen and open the paper compartment. Open one of the packages of paper and place the sheets into the paper compartment with the blue calibration sheet facing down. Close the back of the camera and turn on the power button, which is located on the top of the camera. It takes a minute or two for the camera to calibrate, and when it is finished, the blue sheet will be ejected from the camera. Once again, if you are the first person to use the camera, you may have to set the month, day, and year, as well as the time. Look at the right side of the camera screen and you will see icons for stills, video, and photo booth mode. Make sure the camera is in the stills mode by pressing on the still camera icon. Also, and this is very important, make sure that you charge the camera and external power supply at home prior to your demo. Now for the mugshot. Have your customer stand in front of the screen while holding one of the 6 mugshot placards in front of them about chest high. For vertical labels, rotate the camera vertically, and for horizontal labels, hold the camera horizontally. Depress the red shutter button to take the photo. The photos go into the camera's gallery. At the bottom right of the screen, you will see the last photo taken. Press the image and it will bring up the image gallery. To make the customer photo match the color of the bottle label, you may want to apply a sepia filter to the photo. To do this, press the color palette at the bottom of the camera screen, then press the color swatch icon at the bottom left, then press the sepia filter on the far right. This applies the filter. Now, press the check mark on the upper right of the camera screen to process the filter. Now, press the printer icon in the lower right and it will open the printer interface. Hit the print button in the upper right-hand part of the screen. Within a couple of minutes, the photo will be printed and come out of the camera. This is the photo label you will give to your customer, and they can put the label on their bottle when they get home. Have plenty of product on hand so that after you take the photo, you can hand a bottle to your customer and show them how to affix the photo to the label. Remember, don't actually put the label on the bottle, as changing a bottle's label prior to its sale is against the law. Once you have printed your customer's label, go to the camera gallery once again and delete the photo or photos. Your camera is not equipped with a storage device other than its built-in memory, which will only hold about 10 photos, so it's important to delete the photos that have already been printed and given to your customer. To turn the camera off, just close the flash. If your camera begins to run out of battery, just plug in the external power pack that you charged at home into the camera to charge it, or to operate it. Also, if you need to load more paper, just follow the instructions that we mentioned earlier, remembering to put the blue calibration sheet facing down. At the conclusion of your demo, take time when rolling the screen back into its case. Make sure that the screen is centered as it enters the case. If you don't, it won't roll down all the way back into the case. Now for today's sales tip. While you are waiting for the photo to come out of the camera, take some time to talk about the wine to your customers. Remind them of the Living Labels app for the bottles and hand them a bottle that will match their photo for either horizontal or vertical labels. Have fun doing these shifts and you're sure to increase your sales. See you next time.